Are your headlights looking dull and hazy? Did you want to brighten up the road ahead? Well, today I'm going to show you how to brighten your headlights using an Amazon headlight restoration kit, and we'll do a Tonus LED upgrade while we're at it. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Anton, a power engineer, industrial mechanic, and a Red Seal electrician. We cover all kinds of products and topics in an approachable way for the average everyday person. I'm glad you found us. So today we're going to be looking at the gross, disgusting yellowed headlights on this 2007 GMC Sierra truck, which this is the way that I bought it, and I don't like how hard it is to see at night through these pitted and awful headlights. But I also don't like putting in a lot of work. Now, you guys have probably seen a lot of videos showing how to do a full wet sand, a full polish to bring your headlights back to pristine quality. But we're going to try something a little different today. We're going to use this. Now, this is a headlight restore kit that says it restores your headlights in 2 minutes. Yes, it promises to do no buffing, no sanding, no polishing. Everything you need is right here in this kit. So I'm going to walk you through what's in this kit, and we're going to go through all of the steps, and we'll do a before and after to show you guys if it's any good. I don't even know if it's good because I have not tried to use this kit yet myself. So who knows? It might be junk, but we're going to find out together. Step one, obviously, is to clean the headlights using the provided wipe. Think of this as kind of like a spa day for your car because it deserves to look fresh too. Now they say that when it's done, it's going to be a little bit hazy. I'll just see if I can get a good shot of that. It is kind of hazy, especially in here. You can see, I think there's a slight abrasive in there, which is just supposed to help clean it off. These are definitely still very dim headlights. And we can look at the fog light as well. So it's very, very road pitted. So we'll see if it gets those road pits out at all. But I do need to do the other light first because they give you 2 pads for cleaning, but only 1 pad for the crystal clear modification. So I don't want to waste it because you're going to be very, very time limited. So I'm going to do the other one, and then we'll come back for the next step. Now, the next step is to polish the headlights using this DIY kit. We're using the Stage 2 packet. The instructions say to leave it folded up. Now, I unfolded it because I don't read directions very well. So we're going to see if it still works, even though you don't follow the directions exactly. But if you're using this kit, leave it folded up. Now, it does have a strong smell, like some sort of something is on here. So it's definitely a product of some sort that's going to go on thick, and then it seems to self-level and then dry clear. Now, wiping is really simple. I had plenty on there that I could wipe both headlights and the fog lights with this kit, and I had enough left over that I actually did the rear tail lights while I was at it. The important thing to note is this kit does not require any sanding or buffing. You saw I just wiped the headlights and that was it. So now we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes so they can completely dry before we move on to the next step. But once they're dry, we'll show you guys the before and after of these headlights. So we've got a complete headlight upgrade from FlashArc. Now this includes the high beams, the low beams, and fog lights. You don't have to do them all, but if you're polishing up your headlights so you can see more on the road, why not do an LED upgrade at the same time? Now, some key things to watch out for when you're buying an LED upgrade kit. A lot of manufacturers will actually report the combined lumen and the combined wattage of the headlights just for marketing purposes. It's important to know that they're doing that because when you're looking them up, you might be tricked into getting some inferior LED headlights that don't have the specs that you're looking for. So FlashArc makes it easy to use their website where they do show the combined, but also beside it, they will show you the individual specs. You know, in our case, our kit has 14,000 lumens per bulb at 55 watts. That's important because the factory lighting in your truck probably uses 50 or 55 watt bulbs anyway. So this is a direct replacement. So it won't cause you any problems with pulling extra power through the system or blowing fuses or anything like that. This is completely safe on all vehicles. So if you have a different vehicle, not a 2007 GMC Sierra, then you could buy a kit that fits your vehicle because they've got kits for pretty much every vehicle as far as I could see. I will put a link in the description where you can grab these FlashArc bulbs if that's what you're after. Before we can install it though, we should see what's inside one of these kits. Now I'm not going to open every single one. We'll just open one because they'll all have pretty much the same thing, just different bulbs. Got a warranty card that tells you all kinds of information about using a warranty and your user manual. And then here's a shot of one of these bulbs. Now it's got its own built-in resistor pack and it's a direct plug and play right into the factory wiring. And the bulb is specifically designed so that where the emitter is lines up perfectly with where your halogen bulbs would have been as well. So it gives you perfect beam alignment that should not blind oncoming drivers or anything like that. So now we'll cut to a montage of me installing all of these lights, and then we'll show you the before and after of those as well. So now we've got the low beam and the high beam on one side done. Now it's important at this step to actually turn the lights on and make sure that they turn on, because if the polarity is backwards, then they won't work. So you'll have to just flip these connectors over. So let's turn them on and see if we got lucky. And it looks like we got lucky. We've got both low and high beam on right now. So both of these are working. I can put the air cleaner back in place and then go on to the other side. I'm not going to show you installing on the other side just because you don't need to see you install on both sides. And just like that, our LED upgrade and headlight restoration is complete. Have a look at the results and let me know what you guys think. Now the question you guys all have is it worth it? I'm going to tell you right now, the single stage kit that we used, while it does not require a lot of work, it's also not as good as the kits that actually do sanding and polishing and buffing. If you are a low effort, high result kind of guy, I mean, these are pretty good. It's, you know, the kit's less than $20. You can do it in 30 minutes or less, and it's very, very easy. The best part is there's no sanding, no buffing, no nothing. So These are the results that we got using this kit. Again, the sanding kits are going to give you much higher quality results, but I'm not sure if the effort is worth it. And don't forget, if you're trying to improve the look of your headlights, having them clearer is the first step, but the second step is always to upgrade your LED bulbs as well, like we did in this video. I will put links to everything we used in this video in the description down below. You can check those out if you're interested. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.